Wednesday, the 1st of October 2025. Sudipto tries to assault Titali. While Rekha argues with Aparesh about his decision, Sunny finds a vital clue. Thursday, the 2nd of October 2025. Episode 45. While Sunny questions Titali, she recalls Sudipto's warning and refuses to reveal his name to him. Later, Titali meets with a horrifying accident. Friday, the 3rd of October 2025. Episode 46. Despite Sunny's request, Titali denies him and insists on staying with her uncle. Kinni eagerly awaits Titali's return. Saturday, the 4th of October 2025. Episode 47. Pritham grows suspicious of Sudipto's activities while Sunny returns home bearing some bad news. Sunny rebukes Sushmita for badmouthing Titali. Sunday, the 5th of October 2025. Episode 48. While Sunny informs Rekha that Titali is not coming back, the latter impresses everyone at Debashish's society. Rahi badmouths Titali in front of Sunny. Monday, the 6th of October 2025. Episode 49. Sunny gets tense as he cannot get through to Titali over a video call. Aparesh's decision to get Rahi and Sunny married leaves Rekha shocked. Tuesday, the 7th of October 2025. Episode 50. Sunny and Pritham get ready to execute their plan against Rajiv. Sunny, Debashish and Titali decide to sneak into Rajiv's house while the latter calls up Kinni. Wednesday, the 8th of October 2025. Episode 51. Titali manages to make her way into Rajiv's house but she finds a laptop that is heavily encrypted. Meanwhile, Rekha berates Rahi for speaking rudely to her. Thursday, the 9th of October 2025. Episode 52. Sunny and Pritham secretly witness Rajiv trying to molest Kinni. While they execute their plan, Kinni hits Rajiv in a fit of rage. Friday, the 10th of October 2025. Episode 53. Titali and Sunny team up and extract the information from Rajiv, destroying all of his data. Rahi confronts Titali and Sunny when they return home. Saturday, the 11th of October 2025. Episode 54. Debashish grows furious at Titali for hiding the truth about Sudipto's heinous attempt. Rahi pretends to take a drastic step. What is Rahi up to? Sunday, the 12th of October 2025. Episode 55. Titali assures Debashish that she can stay alone in the city when he grows worried about her safety. Titali reluctantly agrees to Kinni's suggestion. Monday, the 13th of October 2025. Episode 56. Titali agrees to join the aviation training while Debashish reveals details about his relations to Sunny's family. Rahi's unexpected demand stuns Aparesh. Tuesday, the 14th of October 2025. Episode 57. Sunny recalls some of the fond memories he cherished with Titali while Rekha asks him about his true feelings. Rahi brews a cunning plan against Titali. Wednesday, the 15th of October 2025. Episode 58. Aparesh gets furious upon learning from Rahi that Rekha and Sunny have gone to meet Titali. Later, he makes a shocking announcement regarding Sunny's wedding. Thursday, the 16th of October 2025. Episode 59. Sunny gives some cooking tips to Titali and promises to visit her every day. However, Aparesh has different plans and puts forth a shocking request before Sunny. Friday, the 17th of October 2025. Episode 60. While Titali grows anxious about people's judgment of her relationship with Sunny, Sudipto gets her address. Aparesh spots Sunny doing the unthinkable. Sunday, the 19th of October 2025. Episode 61. Hurt by Sunny's refusal to marry Rahi, Aparesh collapses to the ground. While Titali spots Sudipto sneaking around her apartment, Sunny feels guilty. Monday, the 20th of October 2025. Episode 62. Rahi praises Aparesh for his acting prowess and convinces him to make Titali leave the city. Sunny apologizes to Aparesh when the latter visits Titali's apartment. Tuesday, the 21st of October 2025. Episode 63. Rahi informs Sudipto about Titali leaving town while Rekha grows worried. Titali makes a shocking promise to Aparesh. Wednesday, the 22nd of October 2025. Episode 64. Titali is in a tough spot when Sunny arrives at her apartment to meet her. While Rekha grows concerned, Sunny learns about Aparesh and Titali's meeting. Thursday, the 23rd of October 2025. Episode 65. Titali lands in trouble when Sunny confronts her to reveal the truth about Aparesh's visit. Rajiv and Sudipto are all set to execute their vicious plan. Friday, the 24th of October 2025. Episode 66. Sunny tries to convince Titali to wear the sari sent by his mother. While Aparesh gets worried about his secret, Sudipto and Rajiv plan an attack on Titali. Saturday, the 25th of October 2025. Episode 67. Sunny and Titali share a dance while Rahi executes her cunning plan. Later, Titali's neighbors create a scene outside her door. Sunday, the 26th of October 2025. Episode 68. The neighbors barge into Titali's room and humiliate her and Sunny. Rekha learns about it and decides to protect Titali and Sunny's honor. Monday, the 27th of October 2025. Episode 69. Sunny tries his best to defend Titali, but the neighbors call the cops. However, Rekha gets there first and takes a firm decision for Titali and Sunny. Tuesday, the 28th of October 2025. Episode 70. To protect Titali and Sunny's honor, Rekha suggests that they get married immediately. However, Aparesh and Rahi strongly oppose Rekha's decision. Wednesday, the 29th of October 2025. Episode 71. Sunny is shocked to learn about Titali's plan of leaving the next day. While Rahi falls unconscious, Titali is stunned by Sunny's marriage proposal. Thursday, the 30th of October 2025. Episode 72. Sunny refuses to get married for Aparesh's gain while Rahi is heartbroken by the truth. Sunny decides to get married to Titali immediately. Friday, the 31st of October 2025. Episode 73. Aparesh decides to break all ties with Sunny. Traumatized by the events, Rahi resorts to the unthinkable. Premiere episodes of Titali air on Star Khanya from Mondays to Sundays at 19h00.